Hi everyone. I wanted to use this desktop video creation just to show you what you can do next week once you're elevated to the role of teacher in the Moodle course that you're taking. So beginning on Monday, when you go to the Moodle site and you log in, I'm going to go back to our fictitious teacher of Rich McNulty. Now, he's enrolled in the class, and he sees what you see, the news and information where you've been introducing yourselves and the people who have already done that. And he also sees the introduction to Moodle, which you've been going through this week. And now there's a new section there called Teacher Playground. But most important, up here in the right corner, there is a button for Turn Editing On. Beginning on Monday, you'll see that. If you click on that button, you become a teacher of the course. Now, right now, everyone except this fictional Rich is student, and so you don't have that. But once that button is there, you'll be able to come here if you would. Be careful with these other sections because there's not a lot there, but enough work that I wouldn't want to recreate it. I did create a backup of this course just so you see. Uh, you can see under course administration here is this new settings box. I've already done this, but you click on backup, you choose all the options, and then you create a zip file which saves the course in its current role. And if you were doing this with students and you wanted to save logs in particular, you would do that and you would have a zip backup that you could restore to this or any other Moodle site in the world of equivalent version. We're 2.5 here, version 2.5. But here, after you've clicked on this button at the top for Turn Editing On, and down here in the Teacher Playground, I did create this one resource. It's just a URL, but it'll take you to Managing a Moodle Course. And this will explain to you about the courses. It offers the resources, explanation, and how to create activities. For example, if you just wanted to create a URL to Google, say, you'd click on Add URL. Everything that's red with an asterisk, you have to fill in. So you would enter the URL, copy and paste it most likely, but with other options here, you can read about how it pops up. But when it's saved, you've added now to this teacher playground, underneath Managing a Moodle Course, which you saw, you have, if you right-click, a button to open up Google. So that's how you create content for a course. And if you would stick to this teacher playground topic, you can experiment with all these different types of resources, read about them here, and mainly the activities, which is something that Moodle offers for students. You can go and see the quiz test bank of questions, which does take a lot of time, but also how you would set up assignments to collect. And as I said, if in this introduction here, if you just be careful about stepping on others' work, it might be some fun. It's asked uh, perhaps just create one resource and one activity, uh, and then uh, email if you want your experiences and possible uses of it. All right? And don't worry about destroying anything because between the backup and your own care, we won't have to worry about it. And then you can see going forward after this, uh, for the rest of the class, there's an introduction to Google Apps, and then there's an actual experience in Moodle on the topic of bring your own device. And we'll do these activities, and then we'll do exactly the same activities in Google Apps. And then by the end of the course, in the end of July, you'll be asked to please submit a teacher project where you use one of these activities. Okay. Hope the summer's well. Please share your experience and let me know any questions. Bye.